Hi guys, Ken from Ken's Custom Designs, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to fix a botch, acid stain job or dye job. And it happens to the best of us. Here I have a floor. I acetone dyed with an automotive gun, 3 different colors, and it really just didn't fill in right, and it has kind of a yellow and orangey look and not the intended color. So there is a product that DCI makes in water-based sealers and in solvent-based sealers, and it is a tinted sealer. They put pigments in there so you can actually roll that across this floor, change the floor color, and it's somewhat translucent, so you still see the transition and the marbleization in the floor when you're done. So I'm gonna show you before and after of that, and put up a link of where you can buy that if you're a do-it-yourselfer and staining your floors and it didn't turn out the way you had hoped. Here's the floor in question. You know, I have some gray down, got a lot of white spots. Automotive gun didn't do too good of a job. My pump sprayer broke, is what happened. And this probably would have worked great for doing water-based stains, but it just didn't fill in well enough. Not really the desired effect. And some of the brown spots kind of had an orangey tint to it. Throughout here, so and the floor had an overall yellowish look to it. I did save a piece of carpet from a previous job just for this purpose, because when you're pouring and you're going to get it running down the side of the bucket or whatever, you don't want it getting on the bottom of this jug and you sit it somewhere and leave a square stain, because you'll never get that out. So when I get ready, I'll put my paint pan on this carpet and fill it, and then take my paint pan wherever and set this jug back down on here. You want to be sure and shake these up. This is 5-gallon tinted maple water-based sealer. This is good indoors, and like the 550 water-based polyurethane looks great on top of this stuff, and it also makes your water-based polyurethane go a lot farther. So I'm going to use